Senator Sherwin Gatchalian says he will formally ask the Senate Blue Ribbon Committee and the Independent Commission for Infrastructure to lead the investigation. Gatchalian earlier claimed road projects in the Bicol region, Central Luzon, and Eastern Visayas were overpriced by over 10 billion pesos. He notes contractors of some of these projects were earlier tagged in flood control anomalies.
Ako personally, I will recommend sa Blue Ribbon na tignan nitong farm-to-market roads kasi nga parehong mga contractors eh. No? At i-recommend ko rin sa ICI na tignan rin nila itong farm-to-market roads kasi nga una-una sobra-sobrang overpriced from 15,000 per meter naging 300,000 per meter.
Senator Gatchalian points out that most of the allegedly overpriced farm-to-market roads were in the political bailiwicks of former Speaker Martin Romualdez and former House Appropriations Panel Chair Zaldi Ko.